So these are my lab members. I can't totally about my lab members because it is not very fast. I mean, I've heard so many stories about guys being students a very fast time, and this is so not true. He's like a colleague, he's like a lab mate. He comes and works in the lab. When I was building the AFM setup, he would come and you're like, okay, let's do this, let's do that. And he's been doing all the deeper work also when we were building the AFM. And it's absolutely an amazing experience to work with him. And I don't think I would ever get anybody who would guide me better in the future. So I can go on and go on about him, but I mentioned. So Venkat joined after 3 months of my, when I joined the TI1, and it was really nice to have somebody in the lab. But unfortunately, he does not talk much. He's a very silent guy, extremely hardworking, extremely sincere, and he helps around every random person who comes to him and asks him about anything. He would, stop his experiment and go and help out that person, irrespective of whatever he is doing. And Hema, he joined the lab after 1 year. She has helped me a lot in my experiments. I mean, Venkat was more or less involved in doing all the molecular biology in the lab, and he has really set up all the molecular biology. And he was always busy. After Hema came to the lab, I really exploited him. I was like, Hema, please look for this experiment, I'm going somewhere. Can you please check this experiment, I'm going somewhere? And he would really help me a lot. These people have been great in giving all the critical input for all the presentation and all the work I have been doing. And they play a very important role in all this I have done here. Raktim has recently joined lab and he's in a joint project with Shobna. He's also very interesting when we are in lab meetings, so he's not around in lab too much, but he comes to the lab. So there are a few other people in the lab. So Rajiv and Satya are the 2 people who I work on another project on important students. And Satya is currently doing the AFM and the SCM images for the etiquettes I talked about. And these people have been GSRP, but they have also played a very important role in my work here. They used to help me a lot in my Group C and Sudha. And I have to thank Rahul's lab at IISc, specifically Raj. So he was a postdoc in his lab and he did all the molecular biology for this particular kind. And I went there, I spent 25 days. I did 25 days in IISc in their lab, and it's an absolutely amazing lab. It has 25 people, and it's amazing to see how they coordinate well with each other. They don't fight over anything. And Aarti helped me a lot. She's still one of the graduate students in the lab. She helped me a lot learning all the molecular biology. So I'm really grateful to these people and many other people who, despite of being my stay for only 25 days, they took me for all the lab dinners, all the lab meetings, and I had a really good time with them. I have to acknowledge Dr. Kaushik Chakraborty for evaluating my thesis and giving all these critical inputs and being here to attend my talk. I have to acknowledge the central workshop facility. Without these people, I would not have an AFM, I would not have these experiments, and I'm sure none of these people would have had any experiments. So it's a very good facility in TIFR, and they were very prompt despite of all the complaints people have with admin work and things like that. They are extremely efficient. I have a lot of people. I'm part of 2 departments. I have DBS, BCS faculty, office of both the departments, kitchen staff of both the departments. Gitanjali and Deepa who sit right next to my room, and they are the scientific staff, and they take care of the wet lab and BCS on the 2nd floor and make sure everything runs fine. This is basically the formal acknowledgement, but now I've come to acknowledging my batch. So this is the number of people we started with. A couple of them have left for good, and some of us are still here. So this thing is still with me. This is nice here. So we stayed in a PG in our first year, and we had a really bad night. The whole RT canteen going down. dog called Puppy. This is the day when we managed to get out of her and we got all our brokers back from the broker. And I was like extremely happy that we managed to not lose anyone. I had amazing past staying in that place for just 1 month. There are stories that I remember. These guys called Badala. Guys used to come and we would have this conversation on the breakfast table for hours and hours, and our partner is really good at telling stories. So she would go on and on and on about reading about young people. Thankfully, Madhuri, Soumya and Surat allowed us to stay in their apartment. I was still a hostage, but we were like, you don't have to tell anyone that we are staying in here. And it was a great time staying with them. We would have dedicated, night sessions of gossip. Like, okay, today we have to go and do gossip in the apartment, and we would go for McDonald's Sunday brunch. We would just sit and go to McDonald's on Sunday. It was great fun. After then, these three people, they have been very, very important, and I don't think I can thank any of them enough. Every one of them has been extremely important in my stay at EFA, especially because I come from a non-biological background, and I was sitting in courses that I completely blank, no idea what everyone is teaching, and these people are like, it's not really important. Apart from doing science and pulling proteins, I was involved in a lot of other things. I danced a lot on all Republic Days and Founders Day. I shooting a lot. Okay, this is the first year, and this is one of the.
This is Amura Bho.
On the left is Ankit. Common in all of this. Okay, and for all the other non-scientific stuff I've done, and there's two special people. There are a lot of people, but these are Meghna, I think Story was very right yesterday when she said that she provided the foster home for all of us. And 2 nights back, I went to her room at 4:30 in the morning, and there is Vishal and Meghna sitting there, with the cheese Maggie prepared for us, and we hopped on it.
Band बजा दी तेरी band बजा दी.
You sit with her for hours and hours and hours and go on conversing, and you would never feel that you spent 3 hours with her. I think Vishal was very right when he mentioned that. I don't know. And it's always very pleasant. Okay, so lots of interesting stuff. I don't think I should tell here, but she's my roommate in the master, and I had really good time. She has very interesting habits, and okay, I won't tell her. But yeah, she's a really nice, vulnerable woman. So I have to thank these people who are, I generally stayed in D block, like I think the diametrically opposite to D block, and these are the people on the second floor who have spent, having lunches, tea times, and having fun around, having pizza parties, birthday celebrations, and they deserve it. I mean, they didn't really miss me, all the fun a lot of people were having in the D block. And a lot of other people, and I would hang them as collectively. And if I write down all the names, I think I have to use 2 slides because it's people from 2 departments. And thank you all for your